Everyone's mind is cooked on dopamine. 2024, YouTube is catching up and competing with IG Reels, with Twitter, with TikTok. TikTok is not as working as good. What you can do for your models using YouTube is YouTube Shorts and funnel that into long form content. So what we're seeing is YouTube Shorts, and what we're doing is repurposing content onto YouTube Shorts with the right hashtags, with the right reposting schedule. You can get good engagement and increase in followers. But just posting shorts on YouTube isn't going to do it. YouTube is the king of long form content. So you can get your model to do try-on hauls in her niche, do Q&As, these types of things, jump on podcasts, talk about day-to-day vlogging and lifestyle. There's not actually that much competition because of Gen Z and us millennials grew into YouTube, but Gen Z is basically all over YouTube right now. There's lots of guys doing self-help content, but so the barrier to compete with that is so low because they're quality. So if you can have good quality YouTube content with the shorts, so if the model's already doing shorts, then that's going to benefit to get the first level tier of awareness. Okay, so if you think about the tier system as a level of an upside down cone. So at the top you'd have all your short form content, and all your short form content is the first tier level. How business and marketing works is the person has to trust. For a business standpoint, outside of OnlyFans, the person has to trust you, has to digest 7 hours of content before they can think you're legit. Other aspects, OnlyFans is not for models, is not that important. But when they're on this specific platform, you have to adapt to each platform. And what I mean by that is from shorts, you have long form content where you have a model only sells photos, top percent. I'm saying time under tension with the content that is being watched and digested makes the person more invested. So they want to know more. They want to know the model, know the person on a more intimate level. Okay, so if you can't, what you should be doing is posting a minimum of 2 times a day on YouTube Shorts of your model repurposed. You can do that from desktop, you can do that from phone. There's no actual real restrictions on that. And that's a good thing because YouTube has, and it's set that it's majority of the people are digesting it on desktop. So if you think about the avatar of the person that you're wanting, if they have a desktop, if they have a laptop, then they're in a higher ticket. The quality of that subscriber is more high quality because they have a desktop, they have a laptop. No, they're not just on any Android phone. Okay, so you have to have some money, some more. The level of the customer is higher. Okay, that's my point there. So the action steps, what you should be doing is creating a YouTube account for your model, posting on there 2 times a day, repurpose from your TikToks, and you can also build another, IG Reels have meme pages, babe pages. There's plenty, it's going to continue on from the continuation on babe pages, on clipping content, viral content, and repurposing that is going to increase your awareness and build on that. So what I'm saying is create pages for your model and create alternative clipping pages. You can hire a VA and they can clip content, and yourself you can do that. It doesn't take long at all. So there's some action takeaways. Do not sleep on YouTube Shorts this year. It's getting pushed out. It's competing against Meta, Facebook, and TikTok. TikTok's not as great. I even posted a piece of content and it was clipped from a viral piece of TikTok even. with some girls in it at the start, just to get people to stop scrolling. So I did that, and they didn't allow it to get reposted. So it's like, it's really limiting. But you can repost content on YouTube, okay? Two of the same clips that, for what I posted, got the same amount, like basically the same amount of views. So that just goes to show that it's untapped right now until more people jump on it. But where you're going to excel is on the back end of that, is having the long form content that the model is doing a podcast, doing a try on haul, doing a Q&A, another level of depth in what they're doing, a daily vlog. These types of things are going to excel the time under attention of that model. Okay, time under attention, time under attention is how you build muscle. Time under attention is how you build an audience too. So if they're watching this and they're invested from the shorts, okay, from the shorts onto the long form content, that is how you're going to exceed. Okay, so takeaways from that: repost the content. That's it. You can do clips as well. Also, I've spoke on this before as well. You can also repurpose content. Okay, you can clip content from viral videos and face swap. Okay, AI face swap, and get that through. Okay.